my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, thank you so much for coming back. I am truly honored to have every single one of you here today. So if you couldn't tell by the thumbnail, today is the long-awaited winter FabFitFun unboxing. I have been waiting for this box forever. It got held up because of the holidays, which is fine. I totally understand. But oh my goodness, guys, the anticipation. I was almost sad when I got it because it's kind of like the whole Christmas morning thing. Like the anticipation and the build up, and then you get it and you're a little bit sad because you don't get to experience the anticipation anymore. So, like a kid at Christmas time. But anyways, enough of the chit chat. Let's get started on the box. A little bit about this box. It is a seasonal subscription box. It costs $49.99 a month, and you will find a little bit of everything in these boxes. Self-care, beauty, health, makeup, skincare, household goods. You never know what you're gonna get. So I will link the website for FabFitFun down below, and I'm also going to post a link where you can save $10 off of your first FabFitFun box. And I do believe if you use that link that I will get some money off of my next subscription box too, but that's totally not why I'm doing this. I'm just happy to be able to offer you guys a discount. All right, let's get started on the unboxing. It did come in a different kind of box this month. So it's a little bit different. Usually they've got like a smaller compact box inside the cardboard box. But this month they just had everything in one corrugated cardboard box, which is awesome because I know that that's a lot friendlier for our environment. So let's take a look. FabFitFun always comes with a catalog. In this catalog, you're going to find information on the products, how much they're worth, and then this one has calming yoga moves, get your zen on, stunning beauty looks, and then a story about Katie Keurig. It also comes with coupons. As always, guys, if anybody out there wants these coupons, just shoot me an email and let me know, and I will send them to you. Got a cute little winter FabFitFun sticker. Oh, look! This is better than the deal that I have down in the description box. If you use this code right here, you will get $15 off of your first FabFitFun box. If you guys get a FabFitFun box, let me know. Let me know what you think, and I want to hear what you got. Next, we've got 9 free meals with Hellofresh. I've never used these before, but I've seen a lot of YouTubers that use them, and they seem to like them. My family is just so big, it would cost an arm and a leg. So maybe someday when Steve and I grow up, and it's just the two of us, will be able to do a meal subscription box. But for right now, it's not going to happen because Chaos Jen can't afford it, even with the 9 free meals. All right, we've got an envelope. This is a gift for you. And it looks like we've got a wine subscription box. It says half full or half empty. There's always room for more wine. True. And then there is, show you that. And then there is a card. Okay, so this is for Bright Sellers, and it's got a scratch off. And I'm assuming you can save some money if you purchase some of their wine. All right, so let's get started on showing you what I got. So for FabFitFun, they do let you choose limited items. I think I got to choose maybe 3 items in this box. I know the first FabFitFun box that I got, I didn't get to choose any of my items. And then I think the second and the third one, I got to choose 3 items, but I honestly can't remember what all I chose. I know 2 of the things in here for sure I chose, and then if there was another one, I can't remember. It's been too long. But let me show you what I did choose. The first item is a Summer in Rose robe. I have been looking forward to this robe for so long. You guys, it is so stinking soft. It is a full-length robe. Well, on me, it's not going to be because I'm almost 6 foot. So it'll probably go down to about my knees, which is where they usually go. But that's full length. I'm used to it. It does have 2 pockets in the front, as well as a hood. So I will post a picture of me in this robe, appropriate picture, here. Aww. I cannot believe how soft this is. It is like cuddling with a fleece blanket. And it's going to be so warm and cozy after I get out of the shower and just want to dry off a little bit more. This is fantastic. Super excited to have that. Let me check my catalog here and see how much this is worth. Summer and Rose Cozy Robe. Cuddle up in this fuzzy robe with features front pockets, and it is a $70 value. You guys, this box was only $49.99. With one item, I have already gotten more than what I actually paid for the box. You can't beat this box, I'm telling you. It's one of my favorites. All right. Next, we've got Paradox Los Angeles Lucky Stars Blemish Patches. Funny story about these. I got similar patches in another subscription box, and I was just telling Steve that I needed to go buy more because I was almost out. Now I don't. Let's read about these. Let's see. So we have Paradox Lucky Stars Blemish Patches. Pesky blemishes stand no chance against these patches, and these are a value of $18. Next, we've got some cutting boards. This is a set of 4. Those are some awesome colors. I think this is something that I might have chosen too, but I'm not sure. They're dishwasher safe. Let's see how much they're worth. Ipare cutting board set of 4. Each cutting board features a non-slip backing grip so you can cut your veggies, fruits, and more with ease. And these have a value of $19.95. They're really sturdy. A lot of times when you get these thinner ones, they're super flimsy, but these are pretty heavy duty. This is a weird thing to get in a FabFitFun box. I got a little mini kind bar. 90 calories, and this is dark chocolate, nuts, and sea salt flavor. I'll have to try that out, see what I think. Next item is a daily facial dry brush. There's that. We'll take a peek and see how much that is worth. I'm super excited to have that. Daily Concepts Daily Facial Dry Brush. Use the brush on your forehead, nose, skin, cheeks, and neck to stimulate lymphatic pathways and reduce puffiness. And it has a $20 value. So it's a dry brush. Let's see. For best results, incorporate it into your AM routine. Always use Daily Facial Dry Brush only on dry, freshly cleansed skin. Wetting this brush will damage the integrity and quality of it. Use the brush in a swiping motion along the forehead, down the nose and chin, and in outward strokes across the cheeks and down the neck, stimulating lymphatic pathways and encouraging drainage to reduce puffiness and to exfoliate. Follow up with a cleansing and moisturizing routine to help restore skin after your facial workout. That's insane. Definitely going to be trying that out. Next, I've got some Get Well Nail Recovery by London Town. That's a cute little box. Can you guys see that? If I don't cover it with my finger, I bet you can. Let's open it up. Okay, there's what we have. Let's read about it. London Town Get Well Nail Recovery. Nourish your nails with a blend of alpha hydroxy acids and vitamins B5 and C. $20 value. $20, guys. Wow. Let's see if there's instructions here. An intense treatment infused with a blend of powerful hydrators and strengtheners. London Town's Get Wet Nail Recovery contains alpha hydroxy acid, vitamins B and C, and a patented strengthener that helps to hydrate and restore the nail surface and visibly fortify the nail plate. Instructions. Apply 1 coat on bare nails and allow to dry. Use twice weekly for best results and can be used as a base coat for your nail polish. That's cool. So by the next time I get a FabFitFun box, I'm going to have less puffy skin and moisturized nails. Oh, guess what else? Laura Geller Cinnamon and Spice Eyeshadow Palette. 12 Well Eyeshadow Palette. Let's see. There's a little bit of a glare. Let's see. There's that. The colors are Chai Latte, Oat Milk, Cinnamon Dolce, Sweet Foam, Livin' La Vida Mocha, Salted Caramel, Frosted Sugar, Apple Cider, Espresso Yourself, Cold Brew, Pumpkin Spice, and Gingerbread. Those sound like they're going to be right up my alley. I'm still new at learning to use eyeshadow, but I'm all about the warm neutral colors, and I'm assuming, oh yeah, it's got the plastic cover. It's also got a mirror. That's a big mirror. And those are the colors right there. Some shimmers and some mattes. And look, they are warm and neutral. Pretty sure you guys will be seeing me wear this. Probably sometime soon because I'm feeling motivated to go put on makeup, which means Chaos Steve is going to have to take me out for dinner or something because you can't waste good eyeshadow and makeup without going out to show it off a little bit. So will one of you guys call him and let him know he needs to take Chaos Jenn out for dinner? Please. Very pretty. Super excited to have that. I've got 2 eyeshadow palettes now, and that's more eyeshadow than I've ever had in my entire life. Let me see how much this was worth. Laura Geller Cinnamon and Spice Eyeshadow Palette. Achieve warm daytime and smoky nighttime looks with 12 crease-proof shadows. $45. You guys, I don't think all the makeup that I have in my makeup bag cost me more than $45. That's why I love these boxes. $45. And for the 50th time, I only paid $49.99 for this box, you guys. Oh, I love these. I get so excited. Next thing we have, it's Flight Mode Skincare. High Altitude Hydration Mask. Go ahead and open this up and see what it looks like. Maybe we can smell it too, right? Okay, 50 milliliters. There's the bottle. Feels like it's full. Ah, it has a tab on it. All right, let's see what this is. Flight Mode Skincare High Altitude Hydration Mask. This is another thing I was just telling Steve I needed was another mask. I'm down to 1, and I like to use them at least once or twice a week. So let's see. Hydrate and nourish your skin with a blend of Australian wildberry harvest and hyaluronic acid. This is a value of $39. Let me read the box. It says, after cleansing and when you're ready for rest, apply the mask to your face, neck, and back of hands. It will absorb while you relax or sleep. No need to rinse off, just massage into your skin. It's an overnight mask. Oh, wow. I've never had an overnight mask before. Sweet. Super excited to try this one out. And last but not least, and I know this is one that I picked out, you guys, I cannot wait to show you these. These are the ones that I've been looking forward to. That and the Robe. Lily Pulitzer, over 60 years of print, color, and joy. And it looks like we've got 10% off your first purchase at their website, lilypulitzer.com. There's the code. I don't know if you guys can read that or not. If it's not readable, then I'll go ahead and post a picture so you guys can see it. Let me know if you use it, of course, and let me know what you got. I'm curious to see what they have. This is well packaged. Oh my gosh. All right, guys. This is stunning. Look at this. The paint is beautiful. My all-time favorite color. It's got a gold shiny handle. And then on the inside, it's got a little picture as well with her name. That is amazing. These are heavy as I like fling them around. I was expecting like a dainty teacup, but no, this is like a huge coffee cup. Can you see it compared to the size of my hand? It's pretty decent. Good sturdy quality. And for anybody who knows me, you know I collect coffee cups, and I am super excited to add these to my collection. There's 2 of them in here. Let's go ahead and pull out our catalog and see how much they're worth. Lily Pulitzer ceramic mugs, set of 2. Serve tea or coffee in these stylish ceramic mugs. $42. I can officially say that these are the most expensive coffee cups I have ever owned. Unless somebody else bought me one that was more than that, but I know I have never paid that much for a coffee cup. And they are beautiful. Well, guys, that was my box. I love it. I will post the total value for my box right here. That, my friends, is an amazing deal. I cannot believe how much value this box had for just $49.99. All right, because I've only said that 500 million times, I'm going to let you guys go because I could just rant and rave forever, and I want to go play with all my new stuff. So if you haven't already, if you give me a thumbs up, I would totally appreciate it. If you're not already a part of my YouTube family, hit that subscribe button down there in the corner and let's get to know each other better. And until next time, guys, keep smiling. Bye.